In today's digital age, the internet has become a powerful platform for individuals seeking to generate income from the comfort of their homes. As more people explore the online realm for financial opportunities, the demand for reliable, beginner-friendly methods has skyrocketed. This video will provide an in-depth look at 10 proven strategies to help beginners generate income online in 2023. We will focus on a mix of passive and active income methods, including both free and low investment options, spanning various industries and niches. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. This method requires little to no investment, and you can choose from countless niches to tailor your promotions to your interests or expertise. Blogging. Starting a blog is an excellent way to share your knowledge or passions with the world while generating income through various monetization methods, such as advertisements, sponsored content, or selling digital products. As your blog grows in popularity, you can also leverage affiliate marketing and email marketing to increase your revenue. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills or services to clients on a project or contract basis. Popular freelancing niches include writing, graphic design, web development, and social media management. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy for beginners to connect with potential clients and start earning income. Online courses. If you possess expertise in a particular subject, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative passive income source. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to host your courses and reach a broad audience. Print on demand. With print on demand, you can create custom designs for products such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without worrying about inventory or shipping. Platforms like Printful and Teespring handle production and fulfillment, allowing you to focus on marketing and design. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without maintaining inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who fulfill orders directly to your customers. This method requires some initial investment for setting up an online store, but it can be a profitable venture with proper marketing and product selection. Stock trading and investing. Investing in stocks and other financial instruments can generate both passive and active income. While this method involves some financial risk, beginners can start with low investment platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Webull to learn the ropes. YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel allows you to share your knowledge, creativity, or entertainment with a global audience. Monetization options include advertisements, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. While it may take time to build a following, a successful channel can generate substantial income. Self-publishing. Writing and self-publishing ebooks or print books on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, can be a rewarding source of passive income. You retain control over your content and pricing while reaching a vast global audience. Virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant involves providing administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely. This method is ideal for individuals with strong organizational and communication skills who prefer a more stable, active income source. As we've explored, there are numerous proven methods for generating income online in 2023. While some strategies may require initial investments, many options are available for those seeking free or low-cost opportunities. For beginners, it's essential to research and choose the method that best aligns with your interests, skills, and goals. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually scale up as you gain experience and confidence. The online world offers endless possibilities for generating income, and by leveraging these 10 proven methods, you can embark on a journey toward financial independence and success. Remember that patience and persistence are vital in the online income-generating world. As a beginner, you may face challenges and setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Continue learning, refining your skills, and adapting to new trends and technologies. By staying informed and dedicated, you'll increase your chances of achieving your financial goals and enjoying the rewards of your hard work. In summary, whether you prefer passive or active income strategies, free or low investment options, or have specific industries or niches in mind, these 10 proven methods for generating income online in 2023 offer a solid foundation for beginners. Embrace the opportunity to turn your passions, expertise, and creativity into a profitable online venture, and take the first step toward a more flexible, fulfilling, and financially secure future.